Let us try to understand the optics of the human eye. So if this is the retina of this eye here, there is a natural lens which is embedded into our human eye, the God's creation. So this is the object. The retina is the screen, natural screen of the eye. So in the case of a normal vision, if the person is not wearing any glasses, no power, depending on the object position, similar to the optical ray diagrams that we've constructed in my earlier videos, a ray passing through the optic center goes undeviated. Coming from these two ends, they get projected to the point on the axis called the focus. So if it is near, you are able to see that it is falling on the retina. As the object moves little away, that means, see, you can see this is the position. If it is very close, you are not able to see it properly. So there is something called an optimal distance. This is your optimal distance, little more maybe. Yeah. This is where if the object is here, the image is formed exactly on the retina. So this is the distance, that is a minimum distance that has to be maintained for the eye to be able to see it clearly. So a person having no power, not wearing any glasses, is expected to keep the object here at this point, and the image is cast on the retina exactly, and with a clear vision this is. People who have nearsightedness or myopic eye, the object position, if it is near only, they will be able to see. See, as long as it is near, this is too very near, so this is the minimum distance. Then the image is falling on the retina and they are able to see. But as the object moves far, you can see that the image is formed. The intersection of these rays is where the image is formed, and it is before the retina, and they won't be able to see. So these are the cases of myopic, and these human beings wear glasses by which they will be able to see the far things. This is known as nearsightedness. Nearsighted means the sight is near, they can't see the far things. Far-sighted means they will be able to see the far things, near things they won't be able to see. This is hypermetropia. So that means if the object is here, the image is formed beyond retina and hence they are not able to see. So as the object moves far, see, this much distance they keep, and then only the image is falling on the retina. So these people are called hypermetropic. Therefore, they need to be corrected by fixing an extra lens so that it is collimated, and then when the object is brought here, this is adjusted so that it falls on the retina. Then comes bifocals. Bifocals are the ones which are, these people over the age of 40 or even more, they will be able to see like this. Bifocal means short as well as long distance. So this is how the three different defects are corrected.